Hello friends, in this video I will try to repair this professional power amplifier. Let's begin. First of all, let me show you the problem of this amplifier. From time to time we have no sound on B channel. Let me show you. Now let's power on the amplifier. Now we have no sound on B channel. It's not a problem with the potentiometer, and what I've noticed is when I touch this PCB, so I've connected a speaker to this output and there is no problem with this potentiometer PCB. Problem is somewhere here on this PCB. It will be a challenge to find the problem because there are a lot of wires here and I have no access. But I hope that I will have luck and I will find it. So I can't find the problem and I will have to take out this PCB. After I took the PCB out, was very difficult, and after a lot of research I think I found the problem. I hope that I can show you. I hope that you can see this. It's not a good welding on this connector, and I have to remake all these weldings. I hope that you can see in this position. So I've remade these contacts and I hope that now everything works good. So I've put everything back. Now let's make a test and hope that we are lucky. It seems the problem is not there. Now let's take back again. Let's check the input and output of this relay. So I've made a lot of tests and now I am sure that the problem is with this relay. It's a contact problem of the relay or a problem with inside the relay. Let me show you. Now there is no sound. If I touch with the wire the input of the relay, there is sound. On the output of the relay there is no sound. Let me show you. There's the input. So this is input and output. So I will take out the relay, I will search the contacts, I will clean, or I will replace, and I have to replace this if I found an identical. So it seems it was a contact problem, and I remade these weldings of the relay. It's good, but the problem was with contacts of the relay. And now I can move this and the sound it's not interrupting anymore. It was not a difficult problem, but was difficult to find the problem. I will put the pictures with this amplifier. If you are using this amplifier, please write a comment and tell us what you think about this, if it's a good one or not. Thanks for watching. Bye.